Assalamualaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. What is the capital of Pakistan? Islamabad. Which plant is known as red plant? Mars. Who wrote the national anthem of Pakistan? Hafiz Jalandhari. The currency of Japan is yen. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Pacific. The inventor of the light bulb was Thomas Edison. Which gas is essential for human respiration? Oxygen. The first Prime Minister of Pakistan was Liaquat Ali Khan. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the USA? France. What is the national animal of Pakistan? Markhor. Which is the smallest continent in the world? Australia. Which planet is close to the sun? Which planet is closest to the sun? Mercy. Which country is known as the land of rising sun? Japan. Who was the founder of Facebook? ये आपको बताना है, बिल्कुल कमेंट में करें. Which blood group is known as universal donor? O negative. Which is the longest river in the world? Nil. Who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. What is the capital of Saudi Arabia? Riyadh. Which country is the largest area? Russia. What is the national flower of Pakistan? Jasmine. How many players are there in cricket? 11. Which country is famous for the Eiffel Tower? France. When did Pakistan become a nuclear power? अब ये आपको बताना है, जवाब आने से पहले आपको कमेंट में बताना है, कसम से, प्रॉमिस। What is the name of highest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. Who discovered gravity? Isaac Newton. Which Islamic month is for fasting? ये तो कसम से आपको आना चाहिए, अगर नहीं आया तो आप पे लानत है। Which organ pumps blood in the human body? Heart. What is the capital of India? वो इंडिया वालों, अगर मेरा वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो ये आपको कमेंट में बताना है, ठीक है? पाकिस्तान वालों को मैं बताऊंगा। न्यू दिल्ली। What is H2O commonly known as? Water. Which is the largest desert in the world? Sahara. Who was the first president of Pakistan? Sikandar Mirza. What is the freezing point of water? Zero centigrade. Which planet is famous for its wings? ये तो आपको आना चाहिए, बिल्कुल आना चाहिए। मैं बिल्कुल नहीं बताऊंगा, ये आपको ही बताना है, लेकिन कमेंट में। Which animal is known as the king of jungle? ओ भाई, ये तो बिल्कुल आना चाहिए आपको। आप खुद अपने आप को बोलते हैं, डोंट मिस। Which language is most spoken in the world? ये मैं बताऊंगा आपको। Chinese. In which year did Pakistan come into being? In 1947. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? भाई ये तो मुझे भी नहीं आ रहा, आंसर का वेट करना पड़ेगा। Mercury. Which is the tallest building in the world? Burj Khalifa. How many continents are there in the world? अब जो बच्चे लोग हैं ना वो पहले कमेंट में बताएंगे, बड़े आंसर का वेट करें। 7. Which vitamin is produced when sunlight hits your skin? Vitamin D. Which is the national sport of Pakistan? Hockey. Which is the largest island in the world? Greenland. Which country is called the land of thousand lakes? Finland. What is the boiling point of water? (100 centigrade). Who is known as the father of Pakistan? अरे भाई आपको आना चाहिए क्योंकि ये बंदा आपकी जेब में पड़ा है, ज़रूर पड़ा होगा, आप चेक करें एक बार, ज़रूर चेक करें। मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना। Which is the largest bone in the human body? Femur. Which gas do plants absorb from air? Carbon dioxide. What is the capital of China? Beijing. How many teeth does an adult human have? अरे भाई ये तो आपको आना चाहिए, तो आपको आना चाहिए, आपको आना चाहिए। 32. Which planet is known as the Earth twins? Venus.